So I have a 2 years old son. I recently noticed that his behaviors are not normal and it concerned me. So in the evening, when he looked outside or at the door, he felt scared and ran to me and cried. Then he pulls my hands and want me to be like hugging him or something like that. Then he pushed me back and screamed. So I also noticed that more animals and birds are attracted to my home. So my question is like, if these signs are the signs of magic, and if magics affect children as well. So when I do ruqya as well and play Quran, he says, stop it. I don't want, like, he react to it, and he doesn't want me to recite Quran or do ruqya on him as well. So
No, he's 2 years old?
Yeah, 2 years old, 2.5, yeah.
And this happens when you take him out? Or what?
No, at home.
No, this is childish behavior. If you show him concern and you show you're being worried, his subconscious will make him sell you this and behave in such a fashion because he's getting attention out of it. Don't worry about him. Just read the normal adhkar of the morning and the evening. And the best adhkar of protection is in the hadith of Al-Abbas. Allahumma nas'aluka al-afwa wal-afiyah. Allahumma nas'aluka al-afiyata fi dunya wal-akhirah. اللهم نسألك العفو والعافية في ديني ودنياي وأهلي ومالي اللهم استر عوراتي وأمن روعاتي واحفظني من بين يدي ومن خلفي وعن يميني وعن شمالي ومن فوقي وأعوذ بعظمتك أن أغتال من تحتي. This long dua and dhikr is part of the morning and evening adhkar. Shaykh ibn Uthaymeen says, whoever says this particular dua, he has safeguarded his health, his wealth, his family and children, and his religion. Because you're asking Allah to protect them all. So you should say this and do the normal ruqya without him listening to it, and blow on him, do it on water, let him drink from it. And whenever he acts like this, ignore him. And try to show him that if you come to me, I'll hug you, I'll kiss you, I'll cuddle you. If you want to push me, you go. I don't care about you. But eventually, after 5-6 days, he will come down and he will start to think that my efforts are not paying off, so I'll act normally, inshallah. Don't put it in your head that he has black magic or the likes.